Welcome back to the homestead, y'all. I got our new solar electric fence charger in, and I just wanted to show you the unboxing of it, what it takes to put it together once you receive it. There's not a whole lot to it, but I just wanted to show you what you would get if you ordered one of these. I love this solar fence charger. We have one now. We've had it almost 8 years. In January it'll be 8 years. Still has the original battery in it. It does a great job. This is the Parmak Solar Pak 6. Has a 25-mile range, roughly 1.4 joules. It's a low impedance, so that way any heavy weeds, wet weeds, it'll still shock through it. Brush, it'll still shock through it. It does just a wonderful job. I just can't say enough good things about this product. So I've got a new one in. We're going to be using this on our pigs, on the electric netting. So this will power probably about 3 runs of 164 feet of the Premier One electric netting. Now you can purchase the Premier One solar fence chargers, but I've had such good luck with this. Plus this one I was able to get for $189, and the Premier Ones are in the $260, $270 range. So I went ahead and ordered another one of these, and I just wanted to show you what it looked like when you unbox it. But basically they come completely put together. Don't have to do a whole lot to them. They're a little bit heavy because of the battery inside of them and the metal casing. That's one thing I loved about these, was the metal casing inside it. But you can pull this top off, and there's a couple little pieces of cardboard inside here, and they put that in there just to keep the battery from rolling around. It's a very simple system. Has a needle, red, yellow, green. So when you flip it on, you can see the battery's charged now. It's going all the way over to the green on it. And when you have an electric fence hooked to it, you can hear the clicking. I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but it's clicking. So that means that it's working, and it's got a pretty loud click to it. But they have a great little solar panel, easy to clean. Just take a rag every now and then with a little bit of water and wipe it off. They're mobile. You can mount them. They have holes back here for 2 screws, so you can mount them on just about anything. They come with a 3-year warranty and a very good manual. Now in this manual, if you order one of these, read through the manual, because there's so much information in here. It tells the different heights, how many strands of electric to run. Like you can see, this is for cattle. I think there was one a couple pages in that showed horses, shows pigs, shows the different type animals and the spacing for it, for each animal. Yes, there it is. So the different heights and spacing for each type animal, the different types. You can do a single wire portable fence, a multi-wire pasture manager fence, a horse fence, a ground return fence, which I was not familiar with before I purchased one of these. And when I read through it, you have the ground return. So if you order one of these, definitely take the time, take a few minutes, read through the manual. It'll teach you a whole lot. But this is the Parmak Solar Pak 6. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I don't get any kind of money from them or anything. I just love the product. So I wanted to show you what it looked like if you purchased one right straight out of the box. Whenever you first turn the Solar Pak 6 on, it performs 3 different tests. The first test you'll see, it's called a meter operation test. It says this test will sweep meter needle to full scale and back, and it shows that the meter needle is working correctly. The second test is the battery charge level test. The meter will indicate the charge level of the battery. So when we turn it on, we'll see the first test, that's testing the needle, and then the second one is testing the level of the battery, and then the third test is the voltage output. So you can see that the third test, it's all the way over, and you can hear it clicking very well on it. So every time you turn the Solar Pak 6 on, it performs these 3 tests. So make sure to pay attention to it, to the needle. On the second one is your charge level. So there's 1, there's 2, it's showing all the way. If your battery wasn't charged as much, it would be back here in the yellow or the red. And you can see the third test is the voltage test, which goes all the way to the green, the other side, so it's putting out maximum voltage. Now it comes with this little paper inside of it which tells you all the 3 different tests and what they do, so that way you'll understand it whenever you get it. But I just wanted to show you that real quick. That's a great feature to have, especially in the wintertime when it's cloudy. When you turn it on, you'll know that your battery's charged and your electric fence is going to be working all night long until the next morning to where it can charge up again. So I really love that test, and I just wanted to show you that real quick.